Hi, we are Top Notch Engineering and we'll be discussing our project on improving virus detection in wastewater. The project site is the University of Tennessee's campus with a focus on Clement Hall, Hess Hall, and Orange Hall. The client representative is Dr. Terry Hazen. Our project goal is to develop a procedural booklet and specification manual for locating ports in a building to obtain the samples needed and the best times to utilize the automated samplers. This helps improve the existing infrastructure on campus, which is a challenge that our team strives to address. Our team believes that utilizing advanced health informatics is the key to accurate and consistent data that will aid in combating the virus effectively. Now to speak more on the project, we have Noah Miller.
Thanks, Ahmed, and thank you guys for being here with us today. So let's talk about this project. What are we actually doing? What are we actually producing? So right now we're in the process of developing a procedure manual, and this will include the most accurate, efficient way to test wastewater for viruses. And we believe this is bigger than just COVID. We believe it's bigger than just the University of Tennessee, but it will have an impact nationwide and even globally. So we really believe in this procedure and what it can be and the global implications it can have. So what are we doing right now? How are we doing this now? We've been on site visits, seeing what the current team has been doing that works well, what hasn't been working well, and we found it to be most efficient to turn away from manually sampling and turn towards automated sampling. This will cut back on costs, labor, and really improve efficiency. And so these economic considerations are a big factor when fighting something as massive as COVID-19. So now I'm going to turn it over to Antonio.
Thank you, Noah. My team and I think it would be very beneficial to briefly discuss a few of our takeaways from the current semester to not only appreciate the skills that we've been developing and enhancing, but to better prepare ourselves for what's to come for the remainder of the project. And so communication and teamwork in general have undoubtedly been one of the most crucial skills that my team and I have actively been utilizing and improving while working on this project. It's important because we constantly have to relay messages to each other and make sure that we fully understand one another when we're discussing our project intentions or dispersing workloads, etc. Critical thinking and problem solving is another key skill in all of this. Initially starting the project, my team and I were very unfamiliar with wastewater tracking, and so we had to conduct the research to better equip ourselves for future analyzation of the issue at hand and make sure that we could make effective decisions. And so as we dive deeper into the design process, we do expect it to become very iterative as we try to reach that optimal point. And so that's going to require a lot of critical thinking. And so these are just a couple of skills that we deem very valuable for the project, but we do intend to develop and enhance much more skills than that to truly push ourselves to create a sustainable and effective solution for the campus and those impacted by it. Thank you.